any big pussy, any liquor batty, any water batty boy or girl want get involved. Me know not gonna get involved. Me no blood clot care. See only sometime at 2 blood clot money I have and pay for rent. 2 money and get back change. See only the way you no value nothing na be a $20 you have in a foreign. You say no money. You not no money in a foreign. You not have no money in a foreign, a real blood clot like go man. You don't have a 50 blood clot, no, be a 10 and 20 and $5 bill. That's your worth. That's your worth, shit house. Don't call me blood clot name stinking ugly girl. Ugly blood clots, you know, ugly and favor Egyptian she goat. See you know if you have a horse, don't call me blood clot name because you know you trouble me. Is you trouble me over Chatala. I never see a girl, but you see everybody. Yeah, I don't know what is the problem. The week before me and the woman, the next cranny one, the next hungry one, the next nana clothes on, they come on my yard. The other week are you? What the blood clot me had over Chatala? Me no need for day over there, so. Me no need for day over there, so, cause it no need glasses sister who no like me over there. I don't fight against me over there. I run from when come no like kuna either. Me no like none of una either. I think no dirty so cocky boy or girl can like me. I'm a blood clot like them. When see on you're too ugly. First of all, I'm gonna show you my fucking little toe. I'm gonna show you something. Not nice, you know. So nobody feel like I'm not nice. Look. You don't even look like that little toe there. You don't even look like that little toe there. Someone is supposed to hold up argument with you. And the only reason why I make me hold up argument with you, me watch you from where there, me say, you know that woman here move away for no reason. Never know say you old, you have me up because I didn't talk to me nice. Big thinking, long time, old timer. Long time Bob Marley mattress. Don't call me blood clot name. I never you bust talk to me nice. You never bust that. You never burst that. You hear the little girl blood clot a cuss and run with it. You end that something and say you bust it. Eh? Alright. You can't say you bust that. You bust that fuck. How much line you can have? How much blood clot merch you can have? How much merch you too bad mind? Look how long you do your thing. Girl, me never have nothing yet, dog. Shit. Me never have nothing yet. For you get up and rise for me, so dirty, donkey knee, donkey teeth, ugly woman. Ugly woman. I never did nothing yet. For you come up and rise for me, so. You come and chat and laugh and you say something wrong because long time I did and the people ever wrote me in the comment section and I know I don't say nothing. Me just stay so. Boom, black. Boom, black. I know we'll have a depend. You see me? I see the man I try to help somebody and would have been disrespectful. But just answer one person, my answer, you know, and you come over there like you're God Almighty, like you're Guru Gang, like you're Mighty Joe Young. But you come over there, but you no response. Well, me no response. If you no response, well, make me a response back. Thinking, man. Eh? You don't know which family live, your friend them. 4 your friend them know which family live. Because 4 your friend them have me address. Come for me now. Come for me now. Sisters, you saw you want to beat me with book, come for me. Because dunce like you could never beat me with book and never beat out the back of your blood clot throat with a tightener. If you did beat out the back of your throat with a tightener, Sioni, you could have come beat me and me take that. You're mad, big old granny like you are so could have nothing. You so could have nothing, grandmother. You eat titty and don't have nothing. You're mad. You not eat cocky from long time. From one time the girl them shy and not eat cocky. And from them time they will not overplace you so eat cocky. And won't have to eat cocky. You still a walk. Fucking bitch like you. Where your bad mind me for? I have to bad mind because me never have nothing yet. If you want to discuss something with me, call me on my phone and say, Mama, you know me not like what you do. Oh, suck your mama girl. You're more than blood clot. You're so cranny and ugly, no pussy clot. Me not have 1 million enough family with no girl, no boy. Me not want no family. They've deal with my own family. My who know? But they deal with my whole family. What kind of family you talk about? Brother, every time people come talk about, you see me that thing when I go on YouTube and tell people every minute cheese on somebody. Stinking woman, me do you see you? And you come at me and you're in a problem. Because you know say for you hurt my feelings, me go this up your blood clot. You want me know somebody to you want me slice my blood clot skin and stress your blood come through this shit house, dirty woman. Nasty woman. Blood clot call my name and don't feel like say me I got blood clot. Shut my mouth and answer you. Girl, me at you from the night when you call me name. Cause you go like your mama for over chat and laugh and you can't blood clot. You cannot. You cannot hold up chat and laugh because you joke them stiff like a wood. No, not like a wood, like a board. I saw your blood clot joke them stiff. Nothing about you no make sense. You know, see, one thing I carry through. If you portray the act as if you're a lava there. You don't even know how to laugh the people in my laugh for you. Because you don't look nowhere near nobody will have a fuck with me, no. Move! Boy, you come for me. What them tell you say? Eh? What them tell you say, girl? Them tell you say I'm afraid of nobody. Bitch, I'm here. Hey, I just do my breast. I'm enough for your club. Come for me now. Come for me, we deal with this. Because you're bad. You live a very long time and you have your family. I'm not nobody. I'm here alone. I just want to rest my blood clap back against the wall. Thinking pussy see honey. I must think, thinking girl. I had up on my blood clot life already, you know. I make girl we send $30 come all the time. All the time and $30 no whole heap of money. But that girl this send money come blood clot give me. And just because I add you upon my life, you make that the girl they mean a problem, not stinking old woman. So I know when you come and go like you're no blood clot body, you're better than nobody. And you're no falter. You come on live and not talk about me enough to do this. And when you look at boom, you are read out the comment, them and do the same thing when me are the stinking old woman. So what the sense that you better come tell me say enough to do for? Eh? Eh? Dog shit. I heard from the night like you know want to see nobody over chatter laugh. So could take that. Eat shit take that. Cause none of you are going to me get the most money over chatter laugh. Me get the most blood clot money over Chattel. Me get the most ratings over that too. Cause now pussy on the battlefield. But suck out to the mother the whole out now. I'm going. Done blood clot with this now. Cause you're in a go round. We are go round for. If you come straight, come make the people them know where you're depend. But you're not argue with no girl. Where you them turning at them house, them eye juke out. What you talk about? See on your bed without her head is no better. Every time a blood clots you depend your life. I don't see none of this. I don't see none of that. None of that. Me no see dirty girl. You're there far no long. Move your blood clot and show me your head off a bed. Fuck you come for me for dirty girl. Where you come for me for? Don't come for blood clot me. Cause me never shot no cocky from dropping at your big swag away yet. I know the dirty tans laugh yours. I have a couple friends when know my address. Tell them for blood clot carrier come here. Tell them for carrier come here. Bumbo blood clot thinks me an idiot. I believe at 219 matter for you can come here. Because show you say me an idiot blood clot girl. Most problem you want in with blood clot me, you follow me up. You think say me not get everything where your blood clot right? Me get everything where you right. I'm saying the time you press live, you don't press live the day or the next day from here, you don't say nothing about me. And don't you see me not follow you up thinking, man. Don't call me name, you dirty blood clot mouth, cause you first trouble me. And you first see me over chat and laugh and through my clout in and you try chase clout off of me. And I go so zoops, not here, you're too ugly, go over there. You're too blood clot ugly, go back out the wall. Suck your mama, girl, you know me? You don't know nothing about me. You know nothing at all about me? No. You come talk about me drop back way in a foreign. Which part? You drop back way in a foreign. People drop back way in a foreign now make sense. My barrel done pack. And if I send off that, fold it up neatly, make everything can hold and I have for all the night. I do my breast, I pay my rent. And enough 4 money pay my rent. Stinking woman, I want 80 for my rent. This pay my rent, 2 good money pay my rent and give me back. Change. Move your blood cut, you can style me. You know have nothing for customer, more you shoot out. Me go show you say no girl no better than this. None. Max Seal my bumble blood clot come from wild animal training me get when me a grow. Go suck your mama. Can ever find no blame me ignorant bad, too bright. Trouble you girl? Trouble you? Eh? Hold on now, come run down this cloud chasing thing. You're too ugly for your chase cloud. Bumbo blood clot. Yeah. All of a sudden, people looking up. Me and the woman not have nothing, you know. I'm going to post up my bleaching cream, something, you know. I'm going to do me sticker them, you know, for go up on my bleaching cream, you know. I'm going to post it up, you know, and it look like from a post it up, you know, the girl have a problem with it, you know. That's why she use Sykes and come over, chat and laugh, come make problem with me, you know. Anyway, me I wonder where me and this woman have. Cause deep down, me know me and I have nothing. Me say, alright then. I go say, you know what, I must find out where me and I have. I go say, tung. Pa my story, throw out some subs. I'm a subs who for subs and who for get subs that get it. She answer back the subs them. So she answer back the subs them. You know the big dirty woman say, talk to me nice, which is the name of my cream. A fear talks. Thinking woman that you have me up for. Eh? Dirty bad mind black woman. That you have me up for. Eh? Dirty girl. That you have me up for. Remember you have a blood clot clothesline out named Da Fuck. You never born in the United States of America and you come and use Da Fuck. And everybody knows that Da Fuck is an American slang. Yeah? Nobody never did argue with you. Wishes is not you make that talk. It's my little friend when named Jali make that talk. And you want to come endorse the talk and then through you endorse the talk and certain people just hear the talk, I hear mouth, them ear out, I hear talk, a liar tell. Liar from 2009, little Jolly from Shapitney. She been a use that slang. So that could never be yours. We come out in a 2012, 2011, thinking, man. 2013. Here, you hear people business are run with it. You think like. No much time I watch enough things we watch over Chatter Lab, but everybody is not like me. You see me? Everybody is not like me. I have no problem with lava. And none of them gonna make me this lava. But you know what? The end of the day is lava, the host for the show. And everything I all boil down to lava. You see me? Yeah. So you know what me do? Before it reach this, so I take for myself. Lava can't feel no way. Lava can't feel no way. Lava cannot feel no way that me cheese take for my blood clot self. You crazy? Eh? You're mad. Me no want a girl grudge me for nothing at all. Nothing at all in a life where I earn, me no want no girl grudge me. And you thought me supposed to talk about this. You see this a thump in your face hard. Hello? Hello? Me dep on live. Yeah, well I know me so. Yeah, them are here and everything. So when time me don't come out, me talk to you. Yeah. Stinking woman, I me make you there and I use Yahweh and an iPhone 13 Pro Max. Me I beat you with them, yeah. I move your dirty blood clots. You me I go on with the little much I have. Come just come up firing. You should not do it like Nike. Long time. Long time you should not do it like Nike. I eat, make you eat me. Because the things and the likes them when me get, you don't get them. Fuck your mother, girl. Hard. Too. I'm going. Me trouble you stinking woman. You never have a blood clot problem yet. Out of the blues, you just come. A bad mind you have then. Something up your sleeve where you want to tell me long time. So you just beat around the bush and pick a little problem. But you don't know, say me a blood clot. Kingston 13 me come from. Eh? Me know them psych treatment there. Me know them little go round corner there and come back round something there. Me know it. The fuck you think you is? Eh? You ain't nobody. Blood clot, bad mind, dog shit like you. Me I not have nothing. So when me cuss you and tell you say you do the most bad mind. When you depend chat and laugh and attack, the show start and at 3 hours the show run for. And you talk 2 hours and 38 minutes. A dog shit like you talk so long. And nobody have a problem with that. Why as me go up there and attack you have a problem with it? You shouldn't have no problem with it. You should never have no problem with it, dog a dump. You should have never blood clot have no problem with it, but how you say talk to me nice. Then people can argue over blood clot slang. People can argue the amount of slang when but some people run with that. Eh? Me all say nyam fuck and blood clot alkaline take it and beat people in them song with it. Where you talk about? Where you do? No ink in a society. You think I joke me I make when me say no ink in a society. Where you do? Where you do? Like how me say, are you lifting weights? And everybody, where you do? True. But don't talk to you. You have no ink left in a society. Come like the blood clot. Full stop, man. The liquor that. You that. You can't hurt nobody's feelings more than nobody can hurt your feelings. Dirty Batman draw. What do you draw? I'm about my favor some Batman. Blood clot. You too lie. Look like some hard-working fighter Batman will ever have money. Not the Batty selling one them. Where? I don't know if a class girl or not class girl. You can class girl. You don't have no mirror. Oh, and the mirror where you have it, they're too high up so you can't use it. The mirror when me see in your house, it's way up on the wall. So if you even get up and go, so you have to climb up and something else. That's why you have a problem with people, because you not looking at your mirror right. You can't see, I be up your salon, you see. That's why you carry on that way. You're not looking in your mirror right. Don't ramp with me dirty batty man, Joe. Don't blood clot do it. You're fucking out of there. You know who this Armenian chill. I mean your one cheese. What can't milk Junior Mel? No chill pill. You suck your mama with your bright ugly batty man looking self. You want to see your chest. You want to see your chest, not even little batty man them nowadays chest no look like your one. Bone in a blood clot. You can't even take a buff chest. Huh? You can't even get a hard buff chest. Broke that broke. Go suck your mother, girl. You know who me? You know me? There is no blood clot, but you have follow me out.
Decisions that we've had to take about our critical national infrastructure obviously reflect concerns that I think you and I share about the potential for the Chinese state to get inside parts of our systems, our internet systems, our security networks that we wouldn't want to see. So we've had to take some tough decisions, some technologically difficult decisions, and some expensive decisions, I might say. And the challenge for us as the West, as D10 or D7, is really to come up with a technological alternatives. And I think it's one thing to say, well, we're going to exclude X or Y company, but what we really want to see is us as liberal democracies working together.
People, I done my blood clot done talk right now. Cause we not fire blood clot while shot. Shit! Bullet we buying up dirty or ugly girl skin. Bye!